In this video, you'll learn how to choose the best tasker on Taskrabbit. This guide will help you navigate the platform effectively to find the right person for your tasks based on your specific needs and preferences. Start by opening the Taskrabbit app or website. Once you are on the home page, you will see options to filter your taskers. Look for the filter section, which is typically located at the top of the tasker listings. This section is essential for narrowing down your search results. Next, focus on filtering by date. You will find options such as today, within 2 days, within a week, or you can select a specific date. Choose the option that best fits your schedule. Once you make a selection, the page will refresh to show taskers available within your chosen time frame. After setting the date, proceeds to filter by time of day. You can select either morning, afternoon, or evening based on when you need the task completed. This selection will further refine your results, displaying only those taskers who are available during your preferred time. Now, adjust your budget using the price slider. This slider allows you to set your desired hourly rate for taskers. Below the slider, you will see the average hourly rate displayed. Keep in mind that setting a lower budget may limit your options, while a higher budget may provide access to more experienced taskers. Next, consider filtering by tasker type. You can check the box for elite tasker to see only top-rated taskers who have undergone background checks. This can give you added peace of mind when selecting someone for your task. After applying this filter, the results will update to reflect your choice. Once you have set your filters, you can sort the results. Look for the sort by drop-down menu. Select either price or rating to organize the taskers according to your preference. Sorting can help you quickly identify the best options that meet your criteria. As you browse through the tasker cards, take note of the information displayed. Each card includes the hourly rate, star rating, along with the number of reviews, the total number of tasks completed, and work photos. Additionally, you will find a personal description under how I can help and a recent customer review to assess their previous performance. When you find a tasker that seems suitable, click on View Profile and Reviews to see more detailed information. This will provide you with insights into their experience and customer feedback, allowing you to make a more informed decision. After reviewing the profiles, if you decide on a tasker, click Select and Continue. This action will guide you through the next steps in securing their services. Ensure that all your preferences are met before finalizing your choice. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.